Virginia, children will be comfortable with how their parents treat them. So please, don't mistreat your kids. For the statements, my parents ask me everything, and my parents want to know my privacy. Over here, there are 20.3% of parents who ask their child everything. And over here, there are 17.2 parents who wants to know their privacy. It can be a bad thing or a good thing. Is it good or not, parents? Well, it can actually be both of them. Asking your child everything is okay. Example, if your child is experiencing bullying, they will be comfortable to share it to you. For the privacy, it's also okay to ask them, but you need to know your limits when asking them about their privacy. According to TeenLife.org, teens are supposed to separate from their parents, figure out who they are, and what values are important to them. This also means not telling their parents everything. So, make sure you are realistic in your expectations of what they tell you. For the statements, my parents check my phone, and I like when my parents check my phone. There are 10.9% of parents who always check their kids' phone. It's okay, but you need to explain why. And over here, there are 71.9% of parents of kids who doesn't like getting their phones checked. But there are 28.1% of kids who does like getting their phone checked. Well, I need to check the data. Who likes getting their phone checked? Maybe later. As kids mature, they deserve more privacy, and that includes their digital devices, like phones. For younger kids, you may check their devices, but you still need to explain why, like I said before. We did this project to negotiate parents and children about how they wanted to be treated. For the statement, my kids study daily without my request. There are 34% of kids who always study daily without their request. Please give applause to the 34% of kids who does study daily. We think as students we should study without our parents' request. It is because studying is our responsibility to study by ourselves. Even though we don't feel the mood to study, it's very important for us. This is especially for the kids, like Bianca, Rashdan, Amira, and Naya. For the statement, I give my kids something after they do something good. There are 12.8% of parents who always give their kids something after they do something good. It's okay, because rewards can make praise and encouragement work better. So, when you praise or encourage your child's behavior and then reward it, the behavior is more likely to happen again. Rewarding, you can reward not only things, but you can also reward affirmative words. Like when your kid gets a bad score, but that's okay. Well, for gets 60. That's okay, it's better than nothing. And of course, it's best not to overuse rewards like treats or surprises. For the statement, I asked my kid what they're doing outside home. There are 76.6% of parents who always ask their kid what they're doing outside home. It's okay. It means that you parents care about your child. So don't be bothered when your parents ask you a lot of questions when you are going outside or outside. It's to know if you are in danger or if you are safe. As a kid, you need to tell your parents as well when you are outside or going outside. For the statements, my parents will support me anytime, and I always support my kid. This is from the parents' Google form, and this is from the child's Google form. Let's head on to the parents' one first. For the parents, they think that they 100% support their kid. It means that they will support them no matter what, and that they care about their kid. But over here, there are 29.7% of kids who still feels like that they're sometimes supported by their parents. Let's see. Who is the imposter here? Is it the parents or is it the child? We will know and find out later. Supporting your kid develops more positive attitudes about school, have more self-confidence, and they can place a higher priority on academic achievement. They can feel accepted, included, and respected in the home and at school. For the next part will be explained by Akila. For Akila, time is yours.